Dear aspirant, letter writing is an art, and so deal with it beautifully, coherently, and with a definite purpose. Beautifully in the sense that the reader can show interest in reading it on seeing the orderly content of the letter, and logically in the sense that the reader must notice whether each line of the letter is logically linked with one another or not. In other words, the letter must not be broken from many parts. Friend, any kind of letter must have a definite purpose. What you need to do is to explore whether the letter written by you fulfills the exact purpose or not. Only wording can't serve the purpose. In other words, verbosity used in a letter loses its purpose and falls flat to fetch you better marks. Friend, in the year 2020, a letter was asked in NABARD grade A exam. The topic was write a letter to a bank manager asking for a loan of rupees 4 lakh for house renovation. Friend, in this video lecture, we will discuss how you can write on this letter topic effectively. Okay, friend, this is a formal letter to be dealt with formally without using unnecessary words. Write everything to the point. You can easily assess the quality of your letter on completion. Keep yourself in the position of the bank manager and ask yourself whether the content will make you convinced enough to sanction the loan desired. If the content satisfies you, then the letter is quite okay, and by virtue of this, it will deserve better marks. If you think that you are not able to evaluate it on your end, you need an expert for evaluation. Bankwiz provides you with descriptive English marks for the exam concerned, along with a 360-degree evaluation by our experts. We provide you with a complete package for NABARD grade A exam, including essay, Prezi, letter and RC. Please visit www.bankwiz.com for details. Well, let's learn how to write a letter on the given topic. Friend, please mark the following. Don't put comma after to. Start each line from the left. Change the paragraph without leaving any space. There are various ways to mention dates. Please have a look. Now have a look at the format. What you mention is to the branch manager, full branch address, and then put the date, followed by the subject. You can put the subject as application for a loan of a house renovation, and then give reference to the account that you have with the bank. Now you are required to mention the body of the letter, which may include your brief introduction mentioning your name and address. In case you wish to take the loan from the bank you have an account with, then mention your name and account number along with the nature of the account. Okay. In the second place, mention against which you want the loan, such as mention the condition of the house against which the loan is to be sanctioned, and then the market value of the house, and then the condition of the bank account, whether the account is dormant or active. In case of current account, mention the number of transactions on a daily or monthly basis, and at the same time mention how robust the transactions take place through the account. Now mention the condition of the house in detail and also the estimate of the engineer for its renovation. You need to mention the written estimate of the engineer in enclosures at the end of the letter. Okay. Then at last mention your commitment to fulfill all the formalities to be set on the part of the bank. Then in the concluding lines you may mention thanking you in anticipation. Put a comma and write yours faithfully. Then put your name ABC and finally mention the enclosures under the title enclosures. Okay. Now your highly marks fetching letter is ready. Now on completion of the video, please write on this letter formally, keeping in mind everything that has been instructed in this video. Friend, in this way you can write an effective letter in an ideal way. Hope you have got it. See you in the next informative video. Take care.